When Atiku money stop to dey come, Dele Momodu go sing another song. Olayinka. Country people, welcome to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell so that e go ring alert anytime we drop our update. Like, comment and share our videos. For politics, you no dey ever dey hear the last word on any matter because the opponent go get something to say to cancel wetin the first person don talk. The tori when e come so na about Wike when e dey respond to wetin the publisher of Ovation photo album Dele Momodu talk concerning former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, and the coalition when e dey form. Na Lere Olayinka, a senior special assistant on public communications and social media, na dem use take bring out the press release. The FCT minister spokesperson, he talk this for one statement on Wednesday that na only somebody like Dele Momodu who no get knowledge of anything apart from his stomach na go claim say na Wike na drive Peter Obi out of the PDP. Olayinka, e dey make imposition again say Atiku, na be the weapon wey dem fashion against the PDP since na him frustrate the party efforts to win Lagos State in 2003. He say e dey funny that Dele Momodu, when he suppose be journalist, he go on national television to lie say Atiku want the PDP to give power to the Southeast in 2023, whereas he don already obtain the expression of interest form to contest for the PDP presidential ticket, even when the zoning committee never decide on the zoning arrangement. According to how he put am, in his display of arrogance or mischief, Dele Momodu claimed that Atiku wanted PDP to field presidential candidate from the eastern part of the country, but he chose not to mention that the same Atiku had obtained expression of interest form even when no decision had been taken on zoning. Also, was it Wike that made it Senator Benga Daniel, who was the Director General of Atiku campaign, to leave PDP less than 2 weeks after the 2019 presidential election? Was it Wike that made Atiku's running mate in 2023 election, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, to leave the PDP? Former governor of Akwa Ibom State, Udom Emmanuel, was the chairman of the PDP presidential campaign in 2023. His successor, Governor Umo Eno, is on his way out of the PDP. The question is, why did everyone who worked closely with Atiku during the 2019 and 2023 leave him after the election? The reason can only be because someone is a selfish person who is only about himself alone. He, that's Dele Momodu, also claimed that Wike could have benefited from Atiku's succession if he had not dissociated himself from the Southeast region, obviously forgetting that Wike is a proud Ikwere man, unlike Dele Momodu, who isn't proud of his Edo origin, Olayinka said. Country people, why Olayinka dey describe Dele Momodu as a fair weather friend? He say all the noise wey we dey hear from Dele Momodu na because Atiku na him dey pay him bills. He say once Atiku stop to dey pay, He say Oga Dele Momodu, he go move go the next victim. My country people, na the talk when Wike talk through a spokesperson, because any press statement when that man give, they believe say na im oga na im send am. Lere Olayinka don bring out to respond to Dele Momodu's interview when he take talk plenty things, say na Wike be the problem of the PDP. Well, una see am, Dele Momodu don talk im side of the story. Wike now don talk im own part of the story. Which part of the story come be true? Which of them come be the problem of the PDP? Well, you when you be the reader, make you discern for yourself. If you get anything to tell us, put am for the comment section.